Friday morning, guys. I hope you all have a great day today. And here we are by my eggplants. And look how tall it is. It's very healthy. And like I said, this is the one I've just forgotten all about because it never produced uh, any fruit. But, you know, there is one right here. And there's another one coming there. And look at that. There's another one. So while everybody have harvested their eggplants and their plants are down, mine's is just now beginning to produce. But guys, I hope you all have a great Friday. But listen, this is not the reason I brought you over here. I brought you over here for this. Of course, this is my elephant ears. They're so huge. But I found something that I have never, ever seen before. Now, you know, I told you guys that when I moved here in this home, I've been here well, this is the 18th year now. And these elephant ears was already here. And they're perennials, so they come back every year. In the winter, I just cut them down and they just come back every year. Beautiful. But I've never seen this before. And I want to know, have you all ever seen anything like this on your elephant ears? So check this out. Will you look at that? I've never seen anything like it. This is going to be a flower, and it looks like there's a couple more in there, but that is something I have never seen. I don't know if it's just something that happens every 20 years or I don't know. Oh, but wait a minute. Let's see something. So this is the other side of it. Look at that. This stem is in the way. Let's see if I can move it. There we go. Oh, wow. I've never seen this before. But God, is it beautiful. Who can tell me? Do you know what this is? It's very beautiful. All right, guys. Y'all have a great Friday. Later, y'all. Guys, this is Linda, and yep, I'm back. So here we are back over here by the seed pod for my big old elephant ear. So now, guys, I know what it is. And like I said, there were more. Look at that. There is more. But I know what they are. They're seed pods. And so now I'm just going to look at some more videos and Google and Bing, and I'm going to learn how to harvest the seeds from this pod. And yeah, I'm going to see, can I put some out in the front, well, on the side of the house maybe. Yeah. But now I know, but I've never seen it before. It never grew a pod before. Right. I'm very